Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall ServiceNow Desktop Agent, beginner guide step by step clearly. To uninstall the ServiceNow Desktop Agent, start by closing the application if it's currently running. Locate the ServiceNow Desktop Agent icon in the system tray. Right-click the icon to open a context menu. Select Exit to close the agent completely. Next, open the Start menu by clicking the Windows icon on your taskbar. In the search bar, type Control Panel and press Enter. Once the Control Panel opens, look for the Programs section. Click on Uninstall a program to view the list of installed applications. Scroll through the list to find ServiceNow Desktop Agent. Click on it to highlight the program. Then, click the Uninstall button located at the top of the list. A confirmation prompt may appear asking if you're sure you want to uninstall the program. Click Yes or OK to proceed with the uninstallation. Wait for the uninstallation process to complete. Once finished, a confirmation message should appear indicating that the application has been successfully uninstalled. Finally, you may want to restart your computer to ensure all components are removed. After your computer restarts, the ServiceNow Desktop Agent should no longer be installed. That completes the uninstallation process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.